Hello students, let's we standard 11 subject biology, myself Dr. A.H. Gami. Okay, now we already started chapter number 10, cell cycle and cell division. Now this is the lecture number 10.2 where we are studying about the cytokinesis. Okay, already we are studying about the telophase or mitosis that follow the cytokinesis. So cytokinesis here is nothing but it's an additional step after a karyokinesis. कैरियोकाइनेसिस के बाद जो न्यूक्लियस डिवीजन होता है उसके बाद का एडिशनल स्टेप है साइटोकाइनेसिस. So cytokinesis, in that we can be understand, let's we understand about cytokinesis. So cytokinesis is a cellular cytoplasmic division where two or where the daughter cell is formed, in general we can say, are formed. So such a division is called cytokinesis. So cytokinesis is not included in mitosis. Mitosis is a karyokinesis where the daughter nuclei can be formed. So let's we understand. So cytokinesis in animal cell and cytokinesis occur in a plant cell. That quite certain dissimilarities among them. So let's we understand how the cytokinesis occur in animal cell and how the cytokinesis occur in plant cell. So in animal cell, if the two daughter nuclei is formed already, and cell के अंदर दो डॉटर न्यूक्लियाई फॉर्म हो गए हैं, तो इन सेल in animal cell the cleavage start from periphery to center. तो पेरीफेरी से कट होना शुरू होता है and it turns move towards the center, and at the end of that cleavage is too much of rise, and finally finally the daughter cell is formed. Majority equal size of daughter cell is formed. Okay, so this is in animal cell. So let's we talk about plant cell. So plant cell having the just reverse or opposite to the animal cell. So in plant, first of all, so in plant cell, suppose we talked, the first of all what is formed? The middle lamella is formed. What will be formed? The middle lamella is formed. So in plant cell, in cytokinesis, first of all what will be formed? Middle lamellae. Then after, in the center, the primary cell wall is formed. What will be formed? Primary cell wall. And cytokinesis move towards, see the arrow. Here I am telling to arrow is going inside. Here the arrow going outside. The cell starting separated from center to पेरीफेरी। तो प्लांट सेल के अंदर क्या होता है, पहले मिडल लेमेला फॉर्म होता है, देन प्राइमरी सेल वॉल फॉर्म होता है, देन सेल स्टार्टिंग डिवाइड फ्रॉम सेंटर टू पेरीफेरी एंड फॉर्मिंग सेल वॉल्ड to equal size daughter cell in plant. So this is the basic difference in a cytokinesis is occur into animal cell and plant cell. Again you repeat that once, you can understand easily whatever I am explaining over there. Okay, so now after the cytokinesis, let's we talk about the importance of mitosis. So what is the basic most importance of mitosis is, first of all, it is a equational division. So importance of mitosis, what is the actually importance of mitosis? First, it is equational division. So in equational division, most of the cellular material as well as the nuclear material remain equal in whatever the cell can be divided by the mitosis. Then it also providing or forming cells for growth of organism. तो जो भी ग्रोथ होता है उसमें नंबर ऑफ सेल in our body after zygote, what the cell is formed by which division? By a mitosis and growth, then cell repair. For example, हमारी बॉडी के जो भी सेल निकल जाते हैं, that can be repaired by that. And meristematic tissue in plants also divide by mitosis and the plant length is increased or longitudinal growth in plant also occur. Okay, for that this is very much of important. इसके अलावा it can also form gametes in haploid organism. So this is all about the importance of mitosis. So you keep in your mind, here we completed a whole portion of mitosis, M phase. First we completed interphase, M phase. In that we completed mitosis, cytokinesis, and only the meiosis is to be remaining. Next we will be understand about the whole lecture about meiosis. Thank you.